Hello everyone, we are Emmett Communication Technology Co. Ltd. Our factory was established in 2008 and we have been in operation for 16 years now. The factory mainly focuses on the production and processing of optical cables, as well as the customization of related products. Well, we know that in the process of fiber optic access to homes, it provides many conveniences for everyone. In achieving fiber to the home solutions, one very important product is our 86 panel box. Yes, today we are going to talk about the 86 panel box. So could an employee please start by introducing what the 86 panel box is?
The 86 panel box is named 86 because its dimensions were 86 millimeters. Another version exists with different dimensions, but retains the name due to its evolution and added functions. Here we see another version. Its abbreviation remains. We explore its construction. The 86 panel box is molded plastic. Materials include spacious or PP. The goal is durability and usability.
So, even though its dimensions have changed, the abbreviation we use for it has not. Now that we know its name comes from its dimensions, we want to understand more specifically how this panel box is constructed.
Okay, back to the 86 panel. It is actually mainly a plastic part made by mold opening. Its material may have many combinations, such as PC plus ABS, PP, etc. All related ones can be applied. The ultimate goal is to ensure its durability under normal use. There is also a flame retardant requirement. This panel box brings fiber to households and is used in media boxes. It offers fiber redundancy. It stores 60 to 80 meters of fiber. It has SCSI connectors for convenience. It might even be found in various places. Here are a few different types, and you can see that one of the better designs is that it provides, first of all, a fiber redundancy design. Inside this panel box, a certain amount of fiber can be stored. In certain lighting conditions, it can store about 60 to 80 meters of fiber. The second point is that it already comes with pre-terminated connectors, specifically the SCSI type. This includes even what we call a dustproof identifier design, which means that once you have it, you can just plug it in and use it directly. That's right.